Our friends at Keel Marine have been busy giving our old Aquasport a second chance at life. This time, we focus on what happens when the hull meets the water.
So we're going to be replacing our old Aquasport's trim tabs with this brand new Dometic Seastar standard trim tab system, and it's incredible.
We're just trying to get a little more meat on the head of that screw so we can get a good purchase on it.
So John, you've got that dentist pose here, right? You're taking it easy. Why? Because we don't want to strip.
You don't want to strip the screws out,
right?
And stripping them out, it may be unpreventable. However, if you can, a lot of these older boats have a lot of bottom paint scale on them.
So this is years of bottom paint.
Years, yeah. Looks like I'd say at least 10 years, easily, which is not at all uncommon.
So our friends at Seastar sent us the Seastar standard trim tab system. This thing has got intuitive dial controlling, robust two-piece actuator. With one-touch activation, this dial control allows you to level the boat and program favorite positions. So all electric versus electric pneumatic on our project boat currently?
Correct, yep. The current setup is an electric dash, but it runs hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pumps, it's old school technology. Right. Lots of things can happen with them. You can get hydraulic leaks, then you're losing fluid and your trim tabs don't work. They're also a little slower to react. It's electric, hydraulic, run a pump, push the fluid. Whereas the new technology, fully electric from the helm to the back of the boat, it's instant reaction. So you can control the boat right away.
So Seastar, less components, good.
Fewer components, less things to break.
Instant reaction.
Instant reaction.
Good. Like the old school, we're going from electric to pneumatic to the actuator.
Exactly.
Away we go. So what are the challenges in installing these?
Not much. It's just being thorough, making sure everything is bed with sealant properly so you don't get any water leaks into the boat. It's one very small hole through the boat which needs to be sealed properly. And other than that, it's just electrical connections, quick connects. Very simple installation.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Let's do it.
All right.
So Michael, the boss already took the old one off for you, right?
He sure did.
You didn't strip those screws or anything. We're ready to go. Where do we go next?
He got us started. We're in a good position. So next we will sand all this down to get all that old rust off, get a nice clean mounting surface. That way we can seal the new trim tab properly to the boat. The boat is already very dry. As John said, there's no water coming out of these screws, so we want to keep it that way.
So then we're sanding it down, getting it back to that original fiberglass. Look at that stuff. That hasn't seen the light of day on this hull in a while. Wow, so the helm station of the old Aquasport is getting ready for the new electronics from Yamaha. The controls have been pulled. Our new controls are going to go here. You're really working this up. And our Seastar trim tab controller is going to replace these old girls, right?
It will replace the old switches. The old switches are just simple rocker switches, up and down. No lighted display, so you really have no idea where the tabs are located. And that's about all it gives you. It's very basic. So you have your home button, which will bring the tabs all the way up. You have your bow down button and your bow rise button.
Looking forward to this, man. A smoother ride's going to be awesome.
Smoother ride and much more information. It just helps the overall experience.
As always, there's more Project Boat info and DIY tips at driftsociably.com and at driftsociably on social media. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and drift sociably with us.